So I'm traveling to India day after tomorrow. बहुत anxious हूँ, stressful हूँ, because अभी मैं COVID test कराने जा रही हूँ and it's -8 degrees which feels like -13. मैं मर रही हूँ यहाँ पे, देख ही सकते हो, like I'm wearing 3 layers. It's 7:30 a.m. and I'm freaking out right now. Almost ready, and this is what I chose to wear. Like super comfy, super easy, and those are the shoes I'll be wearing, my Fila's. And so excited, so excited. Like I haven't let myself be excited for this because my plan got cancelled already once. But I get to see my mom in less than 24 hours. I'm at the airport right now. Got the check-in and everything done, and I am just heading towards the gates now. It's really early. The flight's at 11:55, and it's like 9:30 right now, almost 9:30. But I am that kind of person. I have to be here ahead of time. So yeah, it was not as hard as I expected it to be. It was not as complicated as I expected it to be. All chill. Everybody was nice. Oh, for everyone who wants to know the corona testing process in Canada, the first thing you do is you go to the Shoppers Drug Mart website, you pay for your test, you get a requisition form and everything, you register there. They will send you an email with your requisition form. You print out that form, then you call, like you find the locations where the test is being conducted on the website itself. Then you call that store, you book an appointment with them, they'll tell you which slots are free and all of that. And once you book an appointment, easy peasy, you just go there, you get your test done, and voila. I got mine done at the Shoppers Drug Mart at 1027 Yonge Street, and the guy who did my test was so nice. And honestly, I swear to God, I didn't feel a thing. Like I've heard people experience discomfort. I've heard people say that they're picking the swab all the way to your brain. He was so nice. He just put it in, swallowed it a few times, both my nostrils, and voila, we're done. We're good. It was so easy. So kudos to him. So as you can see, I'm sitting in the lounge right now. My flight is right there, and the check-in process, as I mentioned, was very smooth. Definitely carry a pen because they'll make you fill a form. So my luggage was a little overweight, just a little, but she let it go. She asked me कि मैंने अपनी flights कब कराई थी, like when did I get it booked, and I told her that I got it done in Feb last year for April 2020, got cancelled. Then I got it done again on November 30th, and I'm leaving now. My luggage was like 25 and 23, a little above 23, but like she just let it go. She was like, yeah, fine, it's okay. And now I'm all set. My luggage and my duty-free stuff is right here with me, and I'm flying back to home. I'm so excited to be home now, and my hair looks like shit. So, peace out. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. At the airport right now, like सब कुछ हो चुका है. We're just heading out, and we're not able to get out. I don't know. Like everybody's here. My folks are here to pick me up, but I don't know when I'm getting out of the airport. So this sucks. If you're traveling from Delhi to anywhere in Punjab, this is the kind of traffic you're gonna face. I mean, you can't see it very clearly in this video, but it's trash and it's crazy. And Papa, say hi.
Hello.
Mama, hi.
Hi.
It's crazy though. किसानां ने सारे रस्ते रोके हुए ने. Like the farmers' protest is at its peak right now. Currently, its peak. It could get worse. Who knows? And the roads that we've just come through are insanely bad. So we're just trying to get home. It usually takes like 3 to 4 hours from to reach Ludhiana from Delhi, but I think it's going to be like 6 to 7 hours today. I'm so tired. I just want to go home. And it'll be 24 hours since I haven't slept in another hour. So, woo! Achievement unlocked. I reached home safely, but it took us 8 hours to get home that day. And yeah, I have a sore throat because of all the screaming and alcohol from my birthday. It was a blast. So yeah, I do request, beg and plead everybody traveling to India
to get your COVID test done, get your negative report, and get your exemption done before traveling, because it literally saved me at least 3 to 4 hours at the airport. If I didn't have the exemption, it would have taken me another 3 to 4 hours of standing in the queue with my luggage. And we know that there is no like rhyme and rhythm to the people in India, and the queue, there were no queues. It was just like a mob. So make sure you do that. And also, there is no internet at the airport till the time you actually get out, get your luggage, and get that coupon thingy from the information center. So like, just be mindful of those things. And I'm so happy to be back.